just be. Don't take it. Take it, just don't be.
Hey, hey, beautiful babes. Welcome back to Sugarfingers. Your girl, Sweet Angel here. Guess what? Yeah, no more of this. I had to do the chop. And honey, when I got up this morning, no way. Your girl cannot do this any longer. The hair is done with. So it's time to get it done. And you want to come along with me? Yeah, come on. Let's get it done today. And don't worry, I do have all of the products that I'm using today, the clippers, etc., will be listed in the description box for you. So take a look there before asking any questions, because you know your girl be doing her best to make sure her beautiful babes know what she's using. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that as well. Great, let's get it done. I'm doing it. Yeah.
Take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me. Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me. Cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be.
So as you can see, it doesn't take me long to actually cut my hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and add a little color to it, honey. Yes, I am. Girl, you know I love to bleach blonde, do my thing. But I did go ahead and saturate my hair with castor oil. And I used that. You can use Vaseline or castor oil using my BW2, my developer. And that's the number 50 developer. The BW2, of course, is the lightening powder that helps to lighten my hair. And I'm going to go ahead and do a little color to it as well. So let me get started mixing. About equal amount of the developer and equal amount of the powder is what I'm using.
Trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen. Soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me. Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me. Cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be. Take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations. generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blue.
So I did leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes with the plastic cap on, and now I'm just smoothing over my hair to make sure some of the areas sometimes doesn't get the full effect, so I made sure it was covered. Then I'm going to use this Art Naturals purple hair mask. I'm getting ready to wash my hair, and I'll apply the purple mask and leave it on while I shower so that it could hopefully kind of tone down the brassiness of the color. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it doesn't, and most times this kind of leaves a little purple highlight in my hair. So we'll see what happens after this one. If it does, I really don't care. The next time I wash my hair, it'll wash out.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
And beautiful babes, that is it. Absolutely. My head feels so much better. Y'all know I be trying to grow this hair out, but when it gets to a certain length, I just can't take it. So this is how she is rocking right about now. Take care, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, in fact, let me know by showing me some love. Drop a like on it. Hit me up down in the comments with some beautiful hearts. That would just make my day. And in the meantime and in between time, y'all know how we roll. Make sure you keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.